There's also challenges in growth stage. Intense competition. Pagka nag-grow ang isang business, nagkakaroon din ng intense competition sa market. For example, sa shoe market, madaming brands yung nagko-compete sa shoes. Katulad sa Nike, they have Air Max. Sa Adidas naman, they have Ultra Boost. Because of this intense competition, companies design unique styles, improve comfort, and create strong marketing to make their shoes stand out from other brands. Also, another challenges in growth stage is balancing supply and demand. Managing supply and demand means increasing production carefully to meet needs without creating excess products. Businesses usually use sales dashboards because they rely on daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly sales reports to balance their production supply and demands ng mga products nila. Example, ang monthly sales range ng item ay 3,000 pieces lang ang mga bumibili ng mga customers per month. So, it will be impractical kung magpo-produce ka ng 10,000 pieces a month, lalo na kung wala ka namang new resellers or new distributors or kung hindi ka naman nag-expand ng market mo.